This is Timothy, back forever, and I'm never going down at the buffers of the likes you because I'm so much better. And every part of me is saying go get 'em. The two of us ain't gonna follow your rules. Come at me without any of your claw tools. Let's go, just me and you. Let's go, just 1 on 2. Go ahead and try hit me if you're able. Can you see it, my ship is stable? I know you hate a way into manual, but I think you're just mad 'cause you're single. You're not gonna stop, we're made together, we're gonna stay like this forever. You break us apart, we'll come back newer, and we'll always be twice the engine that you are. I am it. La This is who we are, this is who I am, and if you think you can stop me, then you need to think again. Because I am a feeling, and I will never end. I won't let you have my brother, I won't let you have my friends. Go ahead and try hit me if you're able. Can you see it, my ship is stable? But I know I'm not something you're afraid of, 'cause you think that you've seen what I may have. I'm even more than the two of them. Everything they care about is what I am. I have the fury, I have the patience, I am an inspiration. I am it. I'm stronger than you. And I'm stronger than you. I'm stronger than you.